Now, there's three kinds of casting. One is Boolean casting, the second is number casting, and the third is string casting. So in this scenario, if you have x equals 1 and y equals quotations 1, y is a string, to convert the 1 or x to a string, right, you would put in x1 equals string or x2 to x dot to string, right? Likewise, if you want to convert y to a number, and I'll just replace this with y, right? You can do n1 is equal to number y, n2 is equal to parse float y, which is a floating decimal, or n3 is equal to parse int y. All right, so let's look at an example. Let's look at these three examples of here, here, and here, okay? The first example of this script is we're going to go ahead and type this code in, and we're going to type in var num1, num2, num3. Okay, and num1 is equal to prompt enter a first number. Okay, and then num2 will be enter a second number. I'm going to go ahead and quickly copy this and paste this over so it'll be faster. Okay. And understand that prompt is always a string. How do we prove this? Well, num3 is equal to num1. You just type in alert or document.write. It really doesn't make a difference how you do it. You can just use document.write, right, and type in num3. Okay. When we do that, okay, we save it. We go ahead and just run it. And we get enter a first number 2 and a second number 3, and you get 32. Okay, 3 plus 2 is not 32. So let's run it again. How about 4, second number 5, and 54. Okay, so how do you make this adjustment? Right, we want to obviously make this adjustment. We use the command parse float number or parse int. I'll just use one example to get parse int, and I'll show you the correction. Okay, to correct the code, you simply type in this following. This is a string. This becomes a parse int or number, whichever one. I can use both, and I'll just show you how to use both. It makes no difference in the world, right? They're kind of both. They're all the same. I'm going to run it, and I'm going to hit 4 and 5. I get 9. Right? That's clear. I can try it again. 2, 3. I get 5. Okay. But there's another correction to it. The second form of correction, okay, is this. I know I'm not supposed to erase code, but just for teaching purposes, since we already have the slide, I'm going to go ahead and delete this code. And I can do it this way. I can type in parse, let me just spell this correctly, int, here. And I can do a parse int, or you can do a parse number, a number, whatever you feel is appropriate. I'm just kind of favored towards parse int. And now when I run it, right, I get 3, 4, I get 7, I get 4, 5, I get 9. Okay, so that's how you handle the parsing.